Today I'm holding two keys. There's a reason for that. It's because we are comparing two cars of the same model. They are both RAV4s, but they are two different years. This one here is 2011 and that is 2010. We want to see how much can change in 1 year. Can you spot the difference? That's just one of the differences. But if you observe very well, you will notice that in front here, you see this chrome here on the grille? It disappeared over there. The engineers at Toyota were like, let's get rid of it. And they got rid of it, and I think that was a good choice. The logo changed, like I've just shown you, which I think is very good. The headlamps remained pretty much the same, but if you notice, the 2011 model does not have the fog lights. I don't like that. So now let's check out the wheels. Look at this. 2011, 2010. What were they thinking? What were they thinking? 2011, 2010. Good choice, good choice. The spare tire is at the back, not at the bottom. Let's check if this one has one at the bottom. Oh, they didn't give us one. Oh, no spare tire. Oh my God. I'm going to go to Toyota and fight. The rest of the things remained the same, except with the 2010 model. They were like, no spare tire for you guys. But they gave us good wheels, so that is a good, a good replacement. A good consolation. Now, let's go and check out the inside. Now, on the inside, I'm going to compare them in a different way. I'm going to do the 2011 version first, and then we shall come and try to spot the differences with the 2012 version. Let's go to the 2011 version now. Now, let's enter the 2011 version. You see how the door looks? It doesn't look that much to the one of 2010. In fact, on the inside, you will not find many differences. The 2010 version, wait. The 2010 version is push to start, but the 2011 version uses the key. And you'll find some models which are 2010 version and they use push to start, or some will use the key. It's interchangeable, so that is not a big deal. Some people actually prefer the keys. They put these light green buttons here. I don't know what for, but it looks like a child's toy, eh? Okay, so this is how the front looks. The media controls right here. The steering wheel has no buttons whatsoever in 2011. Oh my God. And then climate control, old style. This car is built for off-roaders. Guys who want to go off-road and have fun. A few cup holders here. And then let me show you some storage. Tiny storage. And more storage in here. Glove compartment, yes. Tiny door bins, check. Music system, speaker there, speaker down here. Very good, I like it. Storage for my sunglasses, yes. Lights, beautiful. Let's go to the back. Grab handles, available. This is an off-roader, let's go to the back. Cup holder on the armrest, yes. Comfortable 3-seater, yes. Extra safety belt, most especially for the child. If you put a child seat here, correct, available. Horizontally opening tailgate, yes. Extra storage down here. Wow, it's really nice. And it's huge. Whoa, it's huge. I like that. I'm curious to see if this is in the 2010 model. Now let's go to the 2010 model and we see. And this is it here. So let's get in. The only difference I can spot is this here. And it lights up at night.
Leja Leja, charge your ride. In a world choking on pollution, it is time to take charge. At Leja Leja, we are leading the way in Uganda. We supply and install top-notch EV chargers, fast, reliable and eco-friendly solutions. Make the switch to a cleaner, brighter future today. Contact Leja Leja today.
The rest of the stuff remains the same. The center screen looks like an adult toy. Doesn't have the green and white buttons. I like that. Overall, it's beautiful. But I noticed something different here. You see this? When you see this, it means the car has the ability to remove smells. In case someone does something or passes gas in the car, this will be able to bring in the clean, fresh air, but with ions to minimize or reduce the smell, which I think is an extra touch. Toyota thought of that. This year, I've not seen it in the 2011 model, but then closing it, same thing. Okay, good. Yo, this is locked with the key. Cruise control. Actually, I'm starting to suspect that this 2010 model had more, is a higher spec. Though it has no spare tire, but you see it has cruise control. The other one does, but it's harder to reach. It's not like this one. I like it. I like it a lot. Storage. An optional dashcam camera already installed by the previous owner. Beautiful. I like that. Storage for my sunglasses. Perfect. Let's go to the back. Legroom, massive. Headroom, I can tell from here, massive. Grab handles, available for off-roading. Extra safety belt for the child seat, yes. Storage at the back, big enough. Horizontally opening tailgate, yes. Storage down here, huge, with all the tools. So we are given a check. We are given all the tools to change the tire, but no spare tire. I have inquired with Yuasa whether this car has a spare tire, and it does not come with one. What were these guys doing? This is an off-roader. In 2010, the 2010 Toyota RAV4 ranked as number 2 in affordable compact SUVs throughout the US, with an overall score of 9 out of 10. On the other hand, the 2011 Toyota RAV4 was ranked 5th with an overall score of 8.5 out of 10. Let's talk about the prices. The 2010 RAV4 costs 60 million and the 2011 RAV4 costs 63 million. Now let's talk about the specifications. Both models come with an automatic transmission and front-wheel drive. They are equipped with a petrol 2.5 liter, which is able to produce 152 horsepower engine, and have the same fuel efficiency with 22 miles per gallon in the city and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. In terms of dimensions, they share the same overall height, length, wheelbase, and width. Let's take a look at the pros and cons. The 2010 RAV4 is praised for its strong V8 engine, solid reliability, generous cargo space, and comfortable seats. On the other hand, the 2011 RAV4 also boasts of a muscular V6 engine, good reliability, spacious cargo area,
and roomy seats. However, both models have cons, including a cramped third row seat and a lower safety rating, most especially for the 2011 RAV4. In terms of the interior, both models offer similar features, dimensions, with standard power windows. You'll also find an optional sunroof for both. When it comes to safety, the 2010 RAV4 takes the lead with a higher safety rating score of 9.4 out of 10. The 2011 RAV4 lags behind with a safety score of 8.4 out of 10. When it comes to reliability, both models have received decent ratings. The 2010 RAV4 scores 5 out of 10 out of 100, while the 2011 RAV4 fares slightly better with a score of 4 out of 100. In summary, the 2010 RAV4 holds a higher ranking and safety rating, while the 2011 Toyota RAV4 is priced slightly higher. Both models offer similar specifications and features, but your choice may ultimately come down to your priorities.
Well, that has been our comparison of the 2011 RAV4 to the 2010 RAV4. If you like this kind of video, comment down below and tell us to bring you more of this kind of video where we compare cars and we do it in a more casual way, different from the way we have been doing it before. And if you have liked the video, subscribe. If you have not liked it, still subscribe, because we shall bring videos that you like. And click a like on the video. YouTube pushes it out more to more people when you click the like button. That being said, until next time, let's go. Bye.